Good morning guys, this is Katie and welcome to a chilled out Sunday in Bangkok. So it is a Sunday, it's not too far from Christmas. This is going to be a relaxed day, to be honest guys. So we've got some Harry Potter, we've got a lot of Harry Potter. We've got a Harry Potter game, I've got a Harry Potter Lego set, and I'm going to make Callum watch the Harry Potter movie. I also need to wrap some presents, I need to do bits and bobs of chores around the house. So I just thought I'd take with me for my kind of typical chilled out festive Sunday. So first of all, I do need to tidy. It's a Sunday. So I am going to do some tidying and I need to do some reorganising in the bedroom. But just a fun fact, if you didn't already know this, if you go onto YouTube and search Hallmark Christmas movies, you have entire Christmas movies that are uploaded all the time. So I'm going to choose one of these bad boys and get cleaning. Right, so I've done a few little chores around the house and now I'm going to wrap some Christmas presents up whilst watching the rest of this Hallmark movie. This is Christmas at the Plaza, another great cheesy Hallmark movie. It's quite nice. So every time we have like a lazy indoor Sunday, we go and have a Starbucks for lunch. So I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, and there's like a place that I'll pick up some lunch for tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna make, I'll just show you. I will never get bored of the fact that it's like 32 degrees in December. Beautiful. That is one festive month. Waiting for my coffee, and I have got a whole Emily in Paris range here today. So they still have some of the Christmas range in, which is good. This stuff sells out so quickly. So I've got a piece of hair attached to me. So they still have some Christmas stuff, but they have a whole new Emily in Paris range, which looks nice. Right, coffee has been purchased. Gonna head home and have some lunch, chill out, and then we have got a Harry Potter Lego game and Harry Potter Lego set to play to put up. So that's my exciting afternoon. Right, it's not perfect. I need to figure out how to do this neatly. But this is the wreath on our door. I need to even these out. Right, so it's been quite a nice chilled out day so far. Had a lovely lunch, did a bit of blog work, and now I'm going to try and put this Lego set together. So this is like a Harry Potter Lego set that I got for my birthday. Haven't put it together yet, but it's got snow on it, so it's technically Christmassy. That's what I'm gonna do now. Here we go guys, this is it. You can see it's slightly faded because it's in Thailand, but let's crack this open. By the way, slight disclaimer, I haven't used Lego ever. Like my kids play with Lego at school. I've never put a Lego set together at all, so this could go disastrously wrong. I have no idea how to put Lego together, but it can't be that hard, right? Let's try it.